Good morning. This is the day of my first retwist interlocking. This is the day before I got my retwist done, just taking pictures. I really needed a retwist. And here we are. She started the interlocking. Actually, she did some color first. And then she did the retwist with interlocking. And here's the final result. And then here are just some pictures of the next day. My daughter was over and she was just taking pictures of my fresh interlocking retwist. This is the very first time that I did the interlocking. And I didn't get it styled and I actually love it. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.